Hi, I'm Nick with What's Up with Nick and Chuck. Today we're going to be talking about columns, and two columns particularly that HUI likes to use when developing height adjustable carts. Today we're going to be talking about two columns that we like to use here at HUI on our cart solutions. These two columns are off-the-shelf columns that we are able to customize with the manufacturer. So some of the things that we're going to be talking about that are key to deciding or developing a standard column that is custom to your cart application, there's two elements to it. The first element is your stroke length, right? So from ground level to top work surface, what does that stroke length need to be? So your stroke height and your gas pressure are two key elements to developing your height adjustable cart, and knowing what the weight pressure is or what the weight is on top of the cart plays a huge factor in the gas pressure. So as you are in your development process, make sure that you take into consideration or do your VOC and determine your user's functionality in terms of, do they prefer to pull up, push down, or be in a neutral position when raising and lowering. That will help determine how much gas pressure goes in here, and know exactly what that weight is, not only your device, but also all of the material associated to that top mount that is going to either be a work surface or that mounts your device to the top of those columns. So make sure that you take those tips into consideration when developing your height adjustable cart.